Asia Interaction is a Malaysian multinational low-cost line founded in 2001. It's adopted a cost-cutting no-fee business model of democratic air travel, and it has a strong branding with a playful marketing and active social media presence, creating a cult following. And for the Microsoft, it's founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, a leading global tech company, and it continues an innovation in research and development, leading advanced in AI, machine learning, and software engineering.
Hi madam, my name is Tamalini Gunasegaran. My metric number is 22124786. Let's compare GAAP and IFRS. There are first 6 diversity, which is GAAP is rules-based, providing detailed financial statements like income, balance sheet and cash flow with structure formats and precise segment details as seen in Microsoft. IFRS, on the other hand, is principles-based, focusing on profit or loss and flexibility, making it relevant for dynamic industries like airlines as shown in AirAsia. GAAP emphasizes exhaustive rule-driven disclosures, while IFRS prioritizes simplicity and industry-specific insights for recognition. GAAP follows strict rules for revenue and expenses, where IFRS is more adaptable, allowing capitalization of intangibles post-testing. In conclusion, GAAP ensures consistency ideal for regulated sectors, while IFRS offers flexibility for evolving industries.
Foreign currency transactions are crucial for global companies like AirAsia and Microsoft. Both use a single currency for reporting. Malaysia Ringgit for Asia under IFRS and USD for Microsoft Word under GAAP to ensure consistency. Exchange rate changes can impact revenues and costs significantly. For instance, AirAsia faces USD, Ringgit Malaysia volatility in fuel and aircraft leases, while Microsoft Word depends on USD conversions for over half its international income. To manage this risk, both companies use hedging tools like forward contract and swaps. These strategies stabilize financial results and reduce uncertainty. Thankfully, IFRS and GAAP provide similar rules for handling these effects, ensuring clear and accurate reporting while maintaining financial stability.
Exchange rate. This table explains about exchange rate for USD to Malaysia is 4.50, while USD to Euro 0.90 and USD to GBP is 0.75. Next is Microsoft Temporal. This table illustrates Microsoft Temporal method for currency translation. It shows monetary asset of 300 billion USD convert at an exchange rate of 4.50 yielding 1.35 trillion Malaysia. Non-monetary assets value at 111.2 billion USD use a rate of 4.00 resulting in 444.8 million Malaysia. Total liabilities at 244.7 billion USD are translated at 4.50 amounting to 1.101 trillion Malaysia. Microsoft current rate. This table uses Microsoft current rate method for currency translation. Revenue of 245 billion USD is converted at an exchange rate of 4.50, resulting in 1.102 trillion Malaysia. Operating income, net income, and total asset are also converted using 4.50, while total equity use a rate of 4.00, yielding 666 billion Malaysia. AirAsia Temporal. This table outlines AirAsia asset under the temporal method. It shows Malaysia 400 million in monetary assets convert to USD 88.89 million at an exchange rate of 4.50 and Malaysia 320 million in non-monetary assets convert to USD 74.42 million using the same rate. AirAsia current rate. This table displays AirAsia financial metric at the current exchange rate of 1/4.50. Q3 revenue of Malaysia 128 million convert to USD 28.44 million. Q2 operating profit of Malaysia 52 million translate to USD 11.56 million, and AirAsia external of Malaysia 669.1 million is equivalent to USD. Next is hedging disclosure. This table outlines various hedging disclosure under GAAP and IFRS, including methods like functional currency identification, the temporal and current rate methods, adjustment for hyperinflation, and balance sheet hedging using derivative like forward contract and option.
Hi everyone, my name is Devanagi Ramsundaran and I'm from 22G. I will brief about the outline, the key of strength and weakness. The report shows a strong understanding between IFRS and GAAP with practical real-world applicability. By comparing AAsia and Microsoft, it effectively highlights differences supported by clean vision like graph and table that simplify complex data. It also provides the valuable insight into strategy and foreign exchange transaction. Crucial for multinational corporation while adhering to international accounting standard, ensuring credibility. Here, I like to brief about the weakness between AAsia and Microsoft. However, the report could improve its structure flow as some sections are repetitive and transactions are abrupt. Technical terms like temper method, lack sample explanation make it less accessible to non-specialists. The analyst also failed in exporting the strategy application of accounting differences. Minor formatting issues such as font and spacing reduce its professional appearance, and there a lack of real-world examples to show the practical impacts of accounting policies on companies like AirAsia and Microsoft.
Good day everyone, I'm Indumati Pasupati. Today I will be briefly discuss the key limitation and challenges in comparing financial reporting for Microsoft Word and AirAsia under GAAP and IFRS. First, IFRS is flexible principle based while GAAP follows strict rules. These make IFRS easier to adapt but harder to standardize across framework. Second, industry differences add complexity. Microsoft Word focuses on R&D and software, while Asia prioritizes costs like fleet management, making comparisons tricky. Foreign exchange and regional differences in standard further complicate reporting. Lastly, challenges like different treatments for leases and revenues recognition highlights how varied industry approach financial reporting. These issues shows the need to improve global standard for better consistency and understanding. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tamilinia Gunasegaran. My metric number is 22124786. Today, I will compare AirAsia X and Microsoft. AirAsia X uses IFRS focusing on aviation metrics like CASK, achieving 2.5 billion revenue in 2023. Microsoft using US GAAP reported 211 billion revenue, emphasizing detailed and consistent reporting, which is for foreign currency rates. AirAsia X relies on forward contracts, while Microsoft uses hedging for multiple currencies. Leadership-wise, Benjamin Ismail drives AirAsia post-pandemic recovery with expanded roles, while Satya Nadella leads Microsoft AI innovation and cloud dominance. In sustainability, AirAsia focuses on affordability with reduced costs, while Microsoft cuts carbon emission and invests in AI-driven solutions. Both companies highlight adaptability in their unique industries. Thank you.
For emerging issue topic, it has 7 issues, which is the first one is regulatory scrutiny. It's extend the focus on transfer pricing by regulatory authorities. The second one, impact of digitalization, which is rapidly evolving tax rules necessitates new framework for its evolution. The third one, economic and geopolitical uncertainty, which is influence of geopolitical development and trade policy shift. Fourth is tax transparency and documentation. It's an arm's length principle enforcement by tax authority globally. Fifth is sustainability and corporate responsibility. The company addressing a carbon footprint and aligning operation with sustainability goals. For example, Microsoft and AirAsia restructuring pricing for reduced environmental impact. For the sixth is strategic adoption, which is adoption of cutting-edge technology for data collection and tech compliance. And lastly is competitive edge in a changing market, which is a proactive adaptation to regulatory development reduces risk.
In conclusion, the financial statement analysis of AirAsia and Microsoft Corporation under IFRS and GAAP highlight the significant impact that differing accounting frameworks have on the presentation and interpretation of financial information.